everybody, it's Miss Bilal again. It's time for a little bitty math review before we get started with the activity that I want you guys to work on for math today. So, if you see I have these green pegs on the table, I want us to count them. Should we just count them in a big group like this? No, that's going to be kind of hard because they're all close together and we might lose count, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I don't remember which ones I've already counted. So if you remember what we work on at school is that when we're counting and there's a lot of something, we need to make sure that we move it to another side so that we don't get mixed up. Can you help me count the green pegs that we have on the table today? Are we ready? Okay, slide them over as we count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Your turn. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. You're right, 28. There was 28 green pegs. Oh my goodness. Now, the next thing I want us to do with these 28 pegs is I want us to try to match them to the numbers that we have on this black board. Now, some of you might know what this is, and some of you might not. It's called a Lite-Brite. And these holes, we can stick the pegs in. What number is here at the top? That's a 2. So how many pegs do I need to put right here? 2. That's right, because we want to match our object next to the number. We want them to be the same. So if this is number 2, we should have 1, 2. Wait a minute, it's kind of hard to see those pegs. Do you want to see what's going to be super cool? All right, wait for it. Ready? Oh goodness, Miss Bilal. There it is. They light up. I can even make them flash. Boop, 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 boop. Okay, but for right now, we're going to just leave them green. The next number we have is, it's got a big fat belly, so it's the number 6. So can you help me count so we can match the green pegs to the number 6? All right, let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We did it. All right. The next number we have is 8. That's right. Around, down, and back up makes an 8. It also looks like a what? It does look like a snowman. Number 8. All right. So we need to do what? That's right. We need to match our pegs to our number. Okay, give me just a second. I'm trying to do this with one hand. And I know I'm not counting with this time because I'm going to have us count them when we're done. maybe you've been counting with me the whole time. Should we stop? You know what we're going to do? We're going to check ourselves. We're going to check ourselves and we're going to see if we have enough. Okay, so let's try it and see. Let's count together. Remember, we touch each one as we count to make sure we have the right number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Does that match our number? No. How many more should we put? What comes after 7? 8. Now we have 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We did it. All right, this last one is going to be the trickiest. All right, what number is this? Number 12. 12 has a 1, then a 2. So number 12. All right, here we go. Hold on, guys. See if I can figure this out. 1 second. Sometimes you have to figure things out as you go. All right. Got it. Are we ready? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Uh-oh. Let's see if I have enough. There's just a few more on the table. I'm going to put in the ones that I have and then we'll count together. Oops, that one went down a little bit. Can we count these together and see if that's enough? All right, you ready to count with me? 1. All right, actually, I want you to count. How many did you count? Yeah, I only counted 10. So 10 means we need another one. All right, so we're gonna reach into our bag. We are going to get, I don't know if it's gonna be green, guys. There's a whole different bag of colors. 10, 11, and we're gonna put it up here. 12. Now we have 12 green and blue pegs. All right, guys, so what I want you to do after we end this video is I want you to get your activity bag that we sent home with all of you guys, and inside this bag is, let's find it. It's going to be your St. Patrick's Day math book. Did you guys see that already? Here it is. How many? Your St. Patrick's Day math book. And at the bottom it says, I can count to tell the number of objects. So right down here at the bottom, you're going to write your name on the line. And then you are going to have to go through, count the St. Patrick's Day objects, and write the number in the box. Can you do that? There's some shamrocks, some pots of gold, some horseshoes, some hats. Those are some leprechaun hats. And some gold coins. All right, I want you to I want you to color those and then count them and write the number in that box. Okay, guys? All right, also in your bag, you may have seen that you guys have a trace in color today. So even though that's not really for math, if you want something extra to do in color, I'd love to see all that green on your paper when you're done. All right? All right, I'll talk to you guys soon. Thanks for doing some math with me. Good job counting, and we will see you later.